Ooh, we have difference of cubes. And if you're looking at this and saying, no, oh, that's not a cube, buddy, negative 27 is negative 3 cubed. That's a difference of cubes. Now, what's the formula for difference of cubes? A cubed minus b cubed can be factored out to a minus b times the quantity a squared plus ab plus b squared. So x would be my a, and 3 would be my b. Okay, so this becomes, and let me not use green because green doesn't show up that well, a is x minus b is 3 times a squared, which is x squared, plus a, which is x, times b, which is 3, plus b squared, which is 3 squared. Now let's clean that up. X minus 3 times x squared plus x times 3 is 3x plus 3 squared is 9. That is going to be your factored answer.